Imagine discovering that the air you breathe and the water you drink are slowly poisoning you. Illegal mining, or Galamsey, is wreaking havoc on Ghana's environment. It's not just the forests and rivers at risk, it's our health too. According to the WHO and Ghana Medical Association, pollution from these activities is a major contributor to chronic diseases. Polluted air and water lead to free radicals and chronic inflammation, damaging crucial organs like the kidneys and liver. This pollution impedes our body's ability to produce glutathione, a vital molecule for fighting these issues. Traditional medicines, they manage symptoms but don't tackle the root causes, and they come with severe side effects. Enter EDG3 Plus. Dr. Albert Crumb's natural formula helps your body produce optimal levels of glutathione, combating chronic diseases from within. Research backs it up. EDG3 Plus can make a real difference. So why settle for managing symptoms when you can fight the root cause? Make the change with EDG3 Plus today. Your health is worth it.